Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to contact the official support team in World of Tanks Blitz game. Whether you are dealing with technical issues, account problems, or just need game help, this is the safest and the official methods. First of all, open the World of Tanks Blitz on your device, whether you are using iOS, Android, or your PC, and then, once you're in the game lobby, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left. After you're inside the settings menu, go to the right hand corner and look for the support button and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be taken to wargaming.net official website from where you can go ahead and choose the related hot topics. Make sure that you're signed in with your Wargame credentials first, and then once you're inside this page, you can search for FAQs if your issue is common inside hot topics. Or if you want to go and find help for any other categories, you can go ahead and choose one from the browse categories list. If you have account related issues, then you can choose account, billing issues, technical issues, game issues, according to the options available on the page. If you want to contact support directly, click on contact support at the bottom, and then on the next page, choose what kind of an issue you have and click the continue button. Follow along through all the questions and select your problem from the menu available, and then you will be able to submit a ticket. Go ahead and click on the create ticket button after you've stated or chosen your problems, and then once you submit the ticket, if prompted, you may also need to enter your player ID, device info, and screenshots. After the support team receives your request, they'll be able to help you solve your issues faster. Make sure to check your email now and then, since Wargaming will usually send you updates there. They may also reply through this support center, so keep an eye on both. And that's how you can easily and safely contact the World of Tanks Blitz support team in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.